Hey productivity enthusiasts, are you tired of those unproductive days that leave you feeling frustrated? Well, today we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to stay productive every single day. Buckle up because your productivity is about to skyrocket. Step 1. Start with a morning routine. First things first, a killer morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. Use BeforeSunset AI to let the sun rise and plan your day easily. Step 2. Prioritize your tasks. Learn the art of task prioritization. Use our prioritization that has to identify your most important tasks and tackle them head on. Step 3. Time blocking mastery. Time blocking is a game changer. Blocking out chunks of your day by using BeforeSunset AI ensures you stay on track and make the most of your time. Step 4. Beat procrastination. Procrastination can be your worst enemy. Time track and minimize distractions with BeforeSunset AI to overcome it, so you can stay productive even when that Netflix show calls your name. Step 5. Stay energized and healthy. Your energy levels play a huge role in your productivity. Stay energized and healthy throughout the day. Don't forget the importance of breaks and nutrition. Step 6. Join the BeforeSunset AI community. Join the BeforeSunset AI community now, because there's a bonus tip there. For an extra boost in your productivity journey, our platform and our AI community, BeforeSunset.ai. There you have it, folks, the secrets to staying productive every day. Start implementing these strategies and watch your productivity soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and explore our website. Let's make every day a productive day. Stay focused, stay awesome.